Welcome to Wahoo with Dave. Today, Dave is going to take you through our basement finishing solution.
So you've decided to give your basement a makeover. Great, let's build a wall.
First things first, grab a tape measure. You're going to want to measure 3 inches from the wall near the corner of the wall.
Next, grab a friend and grab some chalk line. You're going to want to snap a line. Measure from each corner and snap the line carefully.
Repeat this process on every wall that you will place a panel on.
Once you've got your chalk lines down, it's time to lay some track. Make sure that the vertical flange is along the chalk line. Once you've got your track laid, you're going to want to make markings. Start 1 inch from the edge and measure every 2 feet and make a mark.
Using these markings, drill holes through the angle and into the concrete 1 3/4 inches deep for a 1/4 inch concrete anchor screw, using the masonry drill bit recommended by the fastener manufacturer.
Repeat this process to secure all of the track in your basement. Once this is done, you're ready for the ceiling.
For attaching something relatively light to concrete, it's best to use hammer set anchors.
So you've secured all the track to your floor. It should look something like this. Now let's move on to securing track to the ceiling.
You're going to want to transfer the same chalk line from the floor to the ceiling. Repeat this process anywhere that you have track laid along the floor.
Once you have these new markings in place, snap a chalk line along the ceiling where the panel is going to be installed.
Using this chalk line as your reference, secure the track to the ceiling.
Let's install your first wall panel. Pre-drill approximately sized pilot holes into the wall panels as follows. 1 hole 12 inches from each side edge and 1 inch from the bottom and top edges. A total of 4 screws will be used to secure each perimeter panel, 2 at the top and 2 in the bottom.
You're going to want to use a pan head screw that measures 1 inch greater than the width of the panel.
Now that you have your first panel installed, you're going to want to get the spline in. Use an adhesive caulk to secure the spline in between each panel.
A rubber mallet and a 2x4 can be helpful tools to use in this process.
Go ahead and bring in your next panel, and if you wish, you can apply adhesive caulk to where the 2 panels will meet along the spline.
Firmly connect the panels together.
Repeat the process of securing the top and bottom of the panel to the track.
You can now duplicate this process to install all of the remaining wall panels.
If it's necessary to cut sections of your panel, make sure to get the proper measurements.
Transfer these measurements to your wall panel and make the necessary cuts. We recommend making these cuts outdoors using the appropriate safety measures.
The same method applies when installing your cut wall panel to the track. Congratulations! You successfully installed the Wahoo Walls Basement Finishing Solution.
Thank you for joining us today on Wahoo with Dave. Be sure to like us on Facebook, share this video, and check out our latest photos on Instagram. Have questions or comments or ideas? Tweet us at Wahoo Walls 1, and your idea might make the next video.